Hopefully that gives you a flavor for how you can use data and reasoning over data that's coming from all the systems that you have, HR systems, CRM systems, as well as your office automation systems like Office 365, and really bringing it all together to drive organizational insight and drive organizational effectiveness. The next area of digital transformation is optimizing your operations. And to bring this to light, I want to use the example of Ecolab, a company that we've been working with for a few years now. And Ecolab is focused on a very key area for our society going forward, which is water management. And Ecolab is transforming their business primarily because of IoT. The fact that now they have their field equipment connected on a continuous basis enables them to go from an organization that was reacting to events to becoming an organization that is much more real-time, much more predictive. Their relationship with their customers is being completely reshaped. Not only are they able to deliver unprecedented levels of service, they're also able to continuously improve their service because of the fact that they're connected and they're able to instrument effectively their field equipment. They are learning and improving on a continuous basis. This is something that software companies have done for all time because we instrument our products. But now anyone in industrial equipment can also do the same, and that's what Ecolab has done. They're also able to adapt to events. Think about field service. Field service is that ultimate challenge of being able to bring together all the resources at the right time to be able to solve the customer issue. And we've taken algorithmic approaches in the past, but now because of the connectivity, the ability to in fact take the 27 plus petabytes of data that Ecolab generates each year and to apply machine learning techniques on it, they're able to take even their field service capability to the next level. And to show you some of this work, I wanted to invite up on stage Eric Buchak, who's on our Azure IoT team, to show you how Ecolab is using CRM and Azure to completely transform their business. Eric?
Thank you, Satya.
Welcome.
Thank you. Good morning. Ecolab is creating new ways to monitor and control industrial processes on a global scale, thanks to the evolution of cloud-based services, big data, and the Internet of Things. Today, I'm going to show you how, through the power of machine learning and Cortana intelligence, Ecolab can proactively identify operational issues at their customers, dispatch and manage field service technicians using Microsoft Dynamics CRM, and engage with customers through self-service portals and provide environmental goals through embedded Power BI. At the Global Command Center, Ecolab uses Power BI to get an aggregated view of what's going on at their client site. With over 100,000 sensors generating more than 27 billion data points, Ecolab monitors the impact on water, energy, and waste at their client sites. But coming through this report, I see an alert that Cortana Intelligence has flagged. I can drill through this alert to get more details about the specific site. So when I look at the site, I can see the CO2 emissions, the energy saved, and the water saved is tracking within target, which is great. However, an alert has been generated for the cooling tower. There might be a potential issue that we need to address here. And the fact that water consumption has significantly risen over the past 24 hours indicates a problem. The machine learning capabilities in Cortana Intelligence detects this anomaly, generates an alert at the Ecolab System Assurance Center, and proactively creates a work order to dispatch a technician. Using the new CRM, field, and project service capabilities, the best technician can be identified to complete this work order. The sensor data, coupled with machine learning technology, can identify the best technician based on skill set, location, and the inventory required to complete this task, as well as predict the issue, recommend the required maintenance steps, and the time to resolve. By adding this work order to the master schedule, I can trigger a notification to the field service technician. In the past, this would require waiting for a customer to identify the issue, call up the customer, and then bring the technicians to site, look up the schematics, print out the work order, pull together the repair parts, and then redispatch the technician, a highly manual process. But today, through the power of the field service capabilities and the intelligence of the systems, we're able to pass this data directly to the mobile service technician's mobile device. So this technician, when they open up their work orders, they can see the prioritized work order and have access to all of the information about the task that they need to complete. The location of the customer site, the severity of the issue. The primary incident asset in this case is this blowdown valve. It's related to cooling tower number 3. It's going to take me 3.5 hours. And I can even see the work order tasks, the different tasks that I need to perform. All of this information being sent directly to me because of the systems of intelligence provide just the right amount of information at the right time to complete this task. When I finish the task, I can simply upload the picture of the blowdown valve that I've repaired to share this with the account team so everybody knows what's on site at this customer location. And to simply round out the work order, just obtain a nice signature from the customer that we're all done, and that's fantastic. So access to all of this real-time data for Ecolab helps them optimize the value they provide to their customers. But they desire to be transparent in how they deliver this value to their customers and how they present that to them. Well, with the new portal capabilities available from Microsoft Dynamics CRM, they can easily drive engagements with their customers. Last week at Build, we announced Power BI Embed, the ability to take Power BI and embed it in client-facing applications. So here you'll see a customer portal that Ecolab can share this information directly with their customer. They can get real-time view into what's going on at their customer site. They can interact with this data just like the technicians at Ecolab do to analyze their data. The customers can now interact with this Power BI data and see the ROI generated at this particular customer site. So access to sensor data, real-time intelligence enables Ecolab to help their customers reduce their water, energy, and waste consumption. We're proud to be able to partner with Ecolab to provide this technology to help them find solutions to the world's biggest challenges: clean water, safe food, abundant energy, and healthy environments. Thank you.